Hi guys, today once again we're in Northallerton, and obviously, like I said, like every time you're going to see trains like LNR, aka London North Eastern Railway, Transpennine Express, Cross Country, Grand Central, and maybe, if we're lucky, maybe some freight if we're lucky. But anyway, yeah, let's just have some fun at Northallerton. Last train about to go past Northallerton. It's Transpennine. Transpennine Express speeding past Northallerton. Cross country, got speed through Northallerton. There might not be that much slow trains today. There probably must be fast trains. So yeah, anyway, cross country speeding past Northallerton. I don't know. I think it's an LNR. Yeah, it's LNR. Oh, that was nice. Nice electric LNR. Speeding past Northallerton. LNR about speed past. I think it's LNR. Wait, what? I think it's electric. I think it might be stopping. It could be stopping. For a second, I thought it was a HST. Yeah, this definitely is stopping. We're not getting that much tons today, guys. Sorry about that. Anyway, yeah, that'll be stopping. I don't know where it's going. It might be going to Edinburgh Waverley. There's a train on platform 1 that's come past. We'll video it. We'll video it coming past right now. Here it comes. I don't know what it is. Could be another one. Wait, no. No, it's cross. It's cross. It's cross. It's cross. We got a turn there. That was nice. Thank you. LNR stopping. Cross country speeding. That was nice. Trail at speed past Northallerton. I can't tell what it is from here. Is it a cross? I think it's cross country. Wait a second. Yeah, it's cross. I knew it was. There's a double cross country. That was nice. Oh wait. What's this? What is that? Oh, it's an LNR. Wait, what? What the hell is that? That's an East Midlands. That was an East Midlands. What? East Midlands leaving. No, East Midlands speeding past Northallerton. That was nice. East Midlands speeding past Northallerton. That was nice.